This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming admin privileges and that the group supports topics. Once done, open group info and look for Create Topic or Topics. You choose a clear naming convention now so subjects stay organized. Make sure pinned rules and permissions align with topic use. Set who can create or close topics, admins only or members too, because it prevents clutter. Once these prerequisites are in place, you're ready to create the first topic and assign it a precise title. You tap New Topic and enter a concise, searchable title. Explain why the topic exists in the description so members know purpose. Next, add media or a starter message to guide discussion. Choose auto-archive duration thoughtfully so inactive threads close. Configure who can post, who can pin messages, and whether threads are visible to all members. Once configured, create the topic and post a welcome message that outlines etiquette and next steps to encourage proper participation. You finalize by monitoring activity and closing or merging duplicate topics to keep the group tidy. Use pinned messages for important updates and enable slow mode when conversations get too rapid. This reduces noise and improves signal. If members report problems, no create button or missing topics. First check your admin permissions and then confirm everyone's Telegram app is updated. If problems persist, remove and re-add topic permissions or restart the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.